Hey guys, so today was a better day. Not a great day, but much better than yesterday. Ended up pulling out a nice small little green day. Um, so go ahead and looking at what we have here. We actually have a really nice diamond pattern filling out right now, which is also this breakout triangle right here. So I mentioned yesterday that I was looking for this falling wedge right here to break out, and we did get that breakout. And when I said that would happen, that would open up this upside. So kind of what I'm eyeing right now is that we closed over 395.1 area here, which was this previous support line. You can see back to this area that we've been kind of trading in for this last month here. Now that we close back over that, I do expect at least to touch 399.5, maybe even 402.2 area. The biggest thing I'm watching here is I have these blue arrows. This is the day before CPI Monday. I'm eyeing for a close somewhere in this 402 to 405 range. Kind of what I'm thinking here is tomorrow's PPI release pre-market. We still have not gotten CPI consensus yet. I don't know why they're waiting so long. This is the longest I've ever seen them wait. So my thoughts are either it's going to be like terrible, which based off Bloomberg and Cleveland Fed, it's not going to be. But I'm thinking that it's going to be pretty favorable numbers based off the Bloomberg. I think I saw a 7.2 at some point. I mean, just looking at Cleveland Fed right now, I mean, the consensus could come in somewhere around 7.2 for year over year and 6.2 for CPI core, which a 7.2, which is a massive beat considering the last one was 7.7. So I have a feeling that we might see a big rally tomorrow if we get a good PPI in the morning, which Bloomberg says we will, and Bloomberg terminal that is. And then I also have a feeling we're going to see a CPI consensus that's pretty favorable. I was looking for that this morning, but we didn't end up getting it. So I think if we get those things, we're going to see a close tomorrow, Friday, somewhere up here in this 402 range. And then most likely Monday will be kind of a choppy day. We could even see a close tomorrow up even crazier up here like 405 or something like that if it's a really, really good reading. And that might pull us back maybe Monday back down in this range. So this is kind of where I'm targeting, which if that happens, and I'm looking for this breakout, this is on Tuesday for CPI. If we get a pretty significant beat, we really could end up in this 419 range. Or if we get a massive miss, I'm looking for this 388 range. Going over to futures here. So futures is going to look a little funky tonight, and it's going to throw the pattern off for the next couple of days on futures because futures is doing the changeover for its contract. So we have this massive gap up here, which really isn't a gap up. It's just a weird movement. So really futures should be sitting somewhere like right around this range. So keeping that in mind, we'll still keep the same numbers. We'll still keep the same idea. We broke the falling wedge that I was talking about, and that did lead to the green day. We did close over 39.60, which was a key level. So now we're right back here at this 39.65 level. And that opens our upside here to test resistance at 4,000, which yes, the new contract is already at 4,000, but really we should break through that. So that really opens up the upside here to 40.50. Key support tomorrow is going to be back down in this range here at 39.35 with this nice double bottom and falling wedge breakout with this diamond pattern. I look for the upside, and I'm going to look for a breakout of this falling or this bear channel resistance right here. Looking at the VIX is really setting up for a nice downside day here. We see we had this nice like almost 6 day, if you include this candle, 5 day really. Bull channel right here. We had a gravestone doji yesterday, and we have followed it up with another gravestone doji that actually is bearish engulfing. So that should break us down, and I'll be eyeing for a close back around 21.3. We did close back under the daily 20 EMA, and usually losing that, as you can see, does result in a nice sell-off. So I suspect we'll see a close down in this range tomorrow, and then next week for CPI, we probably end up back in this range, and probably going into CPI, end up at the 23.6 range. So kind of what I'm eyeing right now. Looking at Bitcoin, so Bitcoin is making some progress here. If you go back, it's really hard to zoom out here, but you have this falling wedge that we're trading in right here on Bitcoin. We did break through the resistance now, actually, so that is a big deal to break through that level right there. It's been happened before though, so it could be a fake breakthrough. But eyeing that, we still need to recover this key 17.5 area before we can see much side. We have a nice support line we're watching right here. So really 17.5 I'm targeting, and then we're going to need to start thinking about getting back over this 18.5 range. All right, hope you guys had a good day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning to this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated to my videos. This is the Lifetime Discord link. If that does not work, go ahead and drop me a comment or send me a message and I'll get you a new one. On the Discord, I do pre-market update with key supports and resistance from overnight. I also do live analysis and commentary throughout the day on SPY and Tesla. And I also do my live alerts for callouts for plays that you guys see in my daily log. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Reddit under Daddy Dersh.